welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to know what is function and we are going to create a function. So you will ask, what's a function? I would explain that we use functions to not write one code multiple times. Professional coders always use functions to not write one code multiple times. So let's open base plate. So as I said, we create functions to not write one code multiple times. So now let's create a function. So we go to workspace. In base plate we click this plus and add a script. Now we have added a script in base plate. Like base plate is a parent and script is its child. So now to create a function we need to write local function. And then we can write whatever we want. I'm going to write name of me. And then inside of this part we write which code we want. So we can write here multiple lines, but now I want to write just one. Like print test. Now if you want to run the function name of me, when you write one time it will like print the test one time, but if you write it 3 times it's going to print 3 times. How much times you write name of me after the function, that times it's going to print the function. Now let's play. So as you see, test 3 times. If we click here you'll see test. So we have created a function. Now let's see what will happen if we add another things to print test and let's write test 2. Now let's play. So as you see, test 2. You see, first you will ask why it just didn't write test and 3 or test 2 and 3. I will say that if in our code print, we wrote print test. After print test, what is coming? After print test is coming print test 2. So it's printing first test, then test 2, then again test, and again test 2, then again test, and then again test 2. So let's see what will happen if we do like this. Now let's play. You see, it gave a bug because here we should always have this. So this was all for the functions. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.